Learning English is not only a language but also many things. When you achieve English very properly, you will success any kinds of job, achieve any kinds of job. And when you achieve the English, you will success properly. And that's why there are many students and there are many teachers available, and the atmosphere is too good, and there is a many teachers. There is a magnanimous gesture. That's why I always said that when you come here and take your seat, and you will success after 2 months later, you will success. And when you complete your basic course, and after that you I think you will success. After that, when you take a IELTS test from English fantasy, and you will achieve the high level score. That's why I say that you will came here and you will achieve your bright future. Treat everyone kindly and light up. Thank you all.